Yeah, there is. I have been working more on the Palm OS applications. Brian has worked more on the Windows desktop application components, and Rich has worked more on the Pocket PC. But we do cross over to different areas when we need to. It's not a hard wall. And if we're lucky, that's Windows Mobile Pocket PC, and if we're lucky, Windows Mobile Smartphone. I doubt it. I think this day notes release is going to occupy a lot of my time, for the next few months. I'll be supporting Rich in his Bonsai Pocket PC work as far as what might have to change on the desktop and the Palm type thing to keep those in sync, because we're going to have the same Windows applications support both the Pocket PC version and the Palm OS version. Very much like Daynotes does. Right? The Daynotes Windows application can work with databases for either handheld product. And we'll want to do the same thing for, we are doing the same thing for Bonsai. Well, we've always tried to, find ways we could have our software integrate with others, and like with Slap, Brian saw Slap out there, and he was using it and really thought it was a great little application. And they had the facility for people to add support for Slap. So naturally it was like, all right, let's put that in Daynotes, and because that's a great front end. People can capture information with Slap and then send it on over to Daynotes for recording it in their journal. It's been a case where you're noticing things that are out in the market and ways that they can integrate with it. We've tried to support that where it made sense. Life Balance is another application that has quite a bit of crossover between people who use Life Balance. They learn how it integrates with Daynotes for recording completed actions in the journal. So we see quite a few people when they purchase a Daynotes license, they'll say that, I found you through Llama Graphics Life Balance. So it's always been great to work with the other developers and provide that type of integration. There's nothing specifically planned, but whenever we find a good way to integrate them, yes, we do. Sure, Bonsai has that ability to file in Daynotes where you have completed items in your outline. You can have them copied over to Daynotes. So there's nothing else specifically coming up between the two, but we certainly watch for it. Yeah, I as opposed to the hard disk crashing fear, I think the being more mobile, the benefit there, that you can do it from any computer where you have web access. You can just connect in there and get to your information. But then if you have your handheld, you have your smartphone along with you, you can do that too, right? I mean, the information's there in your smartphone. Yeah, there's no doubt that we're going to have to watch how that develops. I wouldn't. It looks like handhelds are probably going to be going in that direction, where there'll be less of a hardwired connection to your desktop for syncing and more of a, over-the-air connection to the internet for, getting your information. Yeah, again, you have a group of people who use the Palm desktop and don't use Outlook, and you have the other people who is the other way around. So, I mean, for us, we're really not going to, try to support tighter integration with the Palm desktop or Outlook. So, especially if we see things go more toward web-based. Yeah, we really want it to be a good outliner, and it's not really not intended to be a calendar replacement. We have that one custom field, but in some ways I feel that if we added a whole slew of custom fields, that it turns more into a database application. There are some good database applications out there that might be more appropriate if what the person really needs is a database. It's good talking to you.